Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a slip knot. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your yarn. So you're going to have your tail between your ring finger and pinky, and you're going to have it going towards your right. You're going to loop it under and make it pointing towards your left. Now you're going to take the hook, go under the first loop of the magic circle, go under and pull it up. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through to kind of make a chain. So now we've secured the magic loop. So now, depending on what your pattern says, you'll do as many chains as it tells you, or you'll just start single crocheting if you're doing amigurumi. So I'm going to show you single crochet. So you're going to yarn over again, and pull through the two loops. Yarn over, pull through the two loops, and you're just going to keep going like this. And then once you have the amount of stitches you need, you will just take this little tail right here and pull it. And that is how you get a magical